Since we bought a BaleBaron, the rebaling side of our business has really increased. It went from a part-time small portion of our business to almost a full-time large portion of our business. Hi, I'm Rodney Boll from Hidden Valley Farm from Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. We convert a large bale and run them through a machine that tears them apart, and it feeds a small baler, which then feeds the small bales into the BaleBaron. When we were busy baling hay for everybody else, we didn't have time to small bale our own hay. We can bale the big bales quickly in the field and get them in the barn under shelter and then break them down, even though it's raining outside or snowing. And some people scratch their head when they ask what we're doing today, and we say we're baling hay. We've been working with Marcrest for 3.5 years, and it's been a great relationship. Marcrest does stand behind their product very well. Behind us is a 5250P that we have in service a little over a year and has over 18,000 bundles on it, which is roughly 375,000 bales, and it has worked very well for us. Customers really like the 21 bale package. On a typical day, we can average 250 to 300 small bales per hour. Our customers appreciate that we can load their trucks quickly and efficiently. Their driver doesn't have to spend a lot of time here to load and tie down. On average, it's about 15 minutes. We can load 735 bales. I think the future is strong for us in this. It seems every year we have a few more people asking us to do it. Those who we do it for, it seems it continues to grow for them as well.